All right, you guys, I thought it would be a good idea to lay everything out and show you all 4 curlies all next to each other. All right, so you can see shrinkage and everything. These are all 16 inches. This is Nature's Curl. All right, so that's our medium-sized curl, medium-sized ringlet. This is Curl Baby, tight curl, tight ringlet. This is soft, kinky curl. This is the brand new pattern, all right? And then this is our Kinky Curl Baby. Super tight, super coily, super frizzy, will even go afro if you brush it out and don't use product to define the curl, all right? So those are all 4 curlies all next to each other and all 16 inches. So you see the shrinkage. The tighter the curl, the more shrinkage you get. All right. Okay, you guys, this is Kinky Curl Baby. I'm gonna do this with all 4 curl patterns. This is Kinky Curl Baby, not the brand new pattern, all right? This is the tightest of the patterns. Resting state, we're at 7 inches. If I pull it all the way down, I'm at 16. Shrinkage, Kinky Curl Baby, 7 to 16. Okay, next up, now this one is dried a bit as we've been filming. This is the brand new soft kinky curl. Resting state, we're at a 9. Stretched, we're at a 16, okay? That's the soft kinky curl. 9 to 16. Okay, next up is Curl Baby. All right, we're testing shrinkages for all of our curl patterns. Curl Baby, resting state, 11. Let's pull this out, see where we are. Stretched, we're at a 16. We're at a 16, okay? That's the Curl Baby, shrinkage. Okay, next up is Nature's Curl, resting state, we're at a 12. All right, you can't see those little ends of the curls, but we're at a 12, resting state. Stretched, we're at a 16. We're at a 16. So all of those patterns were 16 inches, but they all have different shrinkage rates and ratios. There you go.